Welcome to our channel, Cosmic Unseen. Today we're taking a thrilling journey through our cosmic neighborhood. Buckle up as we explore the incredible diversity of planets in our solar system. Get ready for fascinating facts and mind-blowing discoveries. We've got 8 major planets orbiting our sun, each with its own story to tell. From the scorching heat of Mercury to the icy plains of Neptune, each planet has unique characteristics that set it apart. But that's not all. We'll also delve into the mysteries of the asteroid belt, the dwarf planets, and the countless comets and meteors that zip through space. Ever wondered what it would be like to stand on the surface of Mars or to witness the storms of Jupiter up close? We'll bring you as close as possible to these celestial wonders. So fasten your seatbelts and prepare for an unforgettable adventure. Let's dive in and uncover the secrets of our solar system together.
First, imagine our solar system as a family portrait. In the center, we have the Sun, our very own star, radiating heat and light. The Sun is a massive ball of burning gases, primarily hydrogen and helium, and it provides the energy that sustains life on Earth. Closest to the Sun are the inner planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. These rocky worlds have solid surfaces and are relatively small. Further out, we find the outer planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These gas giants are much larger than the inner planets and have thick atmospheres composed mainly of hydrogen and helium. Jupiter, the largest planet, has a great red spot, a giant storm that has been raging for centuries. Saturn is famous for its stunning ring system. Uranus and Neptune, often called the ice giants, have unique blue hues due to the presence of methane in their atmospheres. And let's not forget the dwarf planets, like Pluto, smaller worlds with their own unique stories, such as icy surfaces and mysterious moons.
The inner planets are like siblings with very different personalities. Mercury, the smallest, is a rocky world with extreme temperatures. Venus, shrouded in thick clouds, is the hottest planet in our solar system. Earth, our home, is a vibrant oasis teeming with life, thanks to its perfect balance of water, atmosphere, and temperature. Lastly, Mars, the red planet, is a cold, dusty desert with evidence of ancient water.
Section 4, Gas Giants Outer Planets. Now let's journey to the outer solar system, where we encounter the gas giants. Jupiter, the largest planet, is a swirling giant with a powerful magnetic field. Saturn, known for its stunning rings, is a gas giant with a low density. Uranus, the ice giant, rotates on its side, giving it extreme seasons. Neptune, the farthest planet from the Sun, is a deep blue world with supersonic winds.
Section 5, Dwarf Planets, the little guys. Beyond the 8 planets, we find the dwarf planets, including Pluto, Eris, and Makemake. These icy worlds are smaller than our Moon and reside in the Kuiper belt, a region beyond Neptune. While smaller in size, dwarf planets are fascinating objects that help us understand the formation and evolution of our solar system.
To Section 6, our diverse solar system. From the rocky inner planets to the gas giants and icy dwarf planets, our solar system is a place of incredible diversity. Each planet, with its own unique characteristics, contributes to the rich tapestry of our cosmic neighborhood. Each planet has its own unique story to tell, shaped by its size, composition, and distance from the Sun. For instance, Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun, has a surface marked by craters and extreme temperatures, while Jupiter, the largest planet, is a gas giant with a mesmerizing array of colorful clouds and storms. As we continue to explore our cosmic neighborhood, we gain a deeper appreciation for the wonders of the universe and our place within it. The missions undertaken by spacecraft and the work of astronauts and scientists help us uncover the mysteries of these distant worlds. Keep looking up and stay tuned for more exciting journeys on Cosmic Unseen. The universe is vast and full of wonders waiting to be discovered. Join us as we continue to explore and learn more about the incredible diversity of our solar system.